Saw you the other day, looking so undermined, acting like it wouldn't happen, making sense of anything that you could find, because it's just about to happen, and you'll be there. Must have known the storm was coming when the clouds are big.